Previously on Poor Paul.
My boss said that if I'm late for work one more time, then he's gonna fire me.
I guess you can use my bike.
Really?
Don't lose it, okay? My dad spent $500 on it. They're having a fumigation sale in 3 days.
Fumigating 3 days. Poison, vermin, must vacate. They sent this out like a month ago, so that means that's this weekend.
I know. Let's go camping.
Are you insane?
What, Paul? Yeah?
I like camping. I mean, my dad used to take Patrick and I a lot.
Yeah, who's Patrick?
I mean, Patricia. I meant because she was
Hey, Justin, try this out, man. You can really feel the burn underneath the left quadricep.
My idea of roughing it is no mint on the pillow.
So, listen, Clyde,
Cállate, la boca! We're going camping.
I am not going camping.
I don't think somebody's a very happy camper. Maybe if he had a s'more.
Talking about me in the third person is not going to improve my mood or the situation, okay? And giving me burnt, carcinogenic, high fructose corn syrup and between two stale crackers is not my idea of a great time.
Ha! Made you talk.
I'm going to bed. I'm gonna pee.
I'm gonna drink.
How do you get in the tent?
Good times are good and even better. It's all that really matters when it comes to me and my best friend. In times of sunshine or crazy weather, it's all that really matters when it comes to me and my best friend.
How do you get in the tent?
Calm down, Mr. Grumpy Pants. Get some sleep because we got a long day ahead of us tomorrow.
How do you get in the tent?
On the bottom left.
Clyde, remember how you let me borrow your bike? So somebody actually borrowed it from me, and they didn't, see, the thing is they didn't ask first. Well...
Sure, Paul! You gotta do something about these rustlings!
Well, I intend to, sexy dame.
I just lost one of my horses this morning. That's 3 this week.
Well, we gotta do something about them varmints.
When we catch them, I like to strip them naked and tie them to a cactus, I would.
Well, we'll just see what the law has to say about that.
Shake it more than twice and you're playing with it. While hiking through Agua Caliente Canyon, be sure to pack plenty of sunscreen and water. And don't stray too far from the trails as you might encounter Chamata Owacha Pakachawasi?
Chochi what? Chamato Owichi Pakachawasi. One-eyed bear who pushes you off cliff. That's an urban legend.
Wow, Justin, I didn't know you spoke Indian.
I'm familiar with several Native American dialects, okay? But I'm still not having fun, okay? There's just rocks and sticks that poke you unexpectedly and bugs.
You just spent 2 weeks in your room camping in your own squalor.
Squalor! Hey, wow, I'm impressed, but still not having fun.
Hey, it was your fault the place had to get fumigated and we're out here, so hush hush, semicolon hush hush.
How is it my fault?
40 ounces of piss and moldy old food attracts bugs, Funkzilla.
Actually, we got to notice at least a couple...
It was still his fault.
Clyde.
Yeah, what's up, buddy?
I'm having a really nice time. Yeah.
All right, great, man. Hey, I forgot to tell you guys. I think I found Bonnie's mom.
Really?
Yeah, she drives a school bus in a city called Sacher-Himmerhof. And in the summers, she drives an ice cream truck.
Really? I wonder if German ice cream tastes any different than American.
Is she coming?
Oh, I don't know, dude. Carrier pigeons cost way more than titty jobs these days.
All right, it's getting dark. I think we should head back.
Yeah, it's way past beer 30, man.
Which way is it? Clyde, which way is it?
Well, I think I lost the brochure.
Are you kidding? You're kidding. Which way is camp, Clyde? How are we gonna get there? Huh?
It's okay, because actually, I have a photographic memory. So we'll go. It's this way, back to camp.
Thank you, Paul. You owe him a reach around.
Yeah. No. This way.
Yeah.
My confidence is growing by the minute. Great. What's throwing dirt up in the air do, Sheriff Paul?
Nothing, it's just fun. Okay. Hey, now it looks like there are 3 separate horse tracks here, but only one of them's being red, which means that we are dealing with a lone desperado.
When we catch them, I like to strip them naked and cover them in honey and bury them up to the neck in an anthill. I would, the darn rascals!
Now, sexy dame, when we catch him, this criminal's gonna get his just desserts. Now let's go.
Dude, we're going in circles.
Yeah, definitely. So, we're lost.
Some great guide you are.
I knew it. I knew something bad was gonna happen. I had a feeling. I say we kill you and we eat your body.
I agree, but don't you only eat organic, right? Or,
Oh God! What if it's a Chamata Paka Chawasi?
No, that's an urban legend. It's probably just a very small, non-threatening vegetarian rodent.
Sounds like a really big vegetarian, non-threatening rodent.
Stab it with a stick, Paul! Stab it with your stick!
Go get him!